Are you a new driver looking to learn how to drive for the first time or looking to refresh your skills? We provide everything from full behind-the-wheel education packages to basic refresher courses for those looking for a little extra experience. Our professional, informed, and comfortable instruction help turn new or inexperienced drivers into safe, collision-free, and confident drivers. We have the most patient and experienced certified instructors to help you achieve your goals. We want your journey with us to be seamless and stress-free. Contact us today and let us get you driving in no time.
Okay, the traffic light, please turn right. Turn right.
Oh, sorry.
Turn right, yes, okay. What's the safe distance we have from cyclists?
It's 2 meters.
2 meters, that's very good. Okay, take the next route right. It's just like after this blue park car. Is it clear enough to? Just follow the road ahead. Very good with the mirror checking. So, like at the end of the road is just like a bend, okay? So you are just going bend. Do you have a space to tuck in?
No, but they have space on the right.
Okay, that's fine. Parking, that's fine. That's good. That's good. At the end of the road, turn left, please. What's the risk ahead you see?
There's quite a few vans
Okay.
parked up on the left.
So how would you pass then?
I will move more to the right, like in the middle section,
Okay, that's
and I'll
fine.
go a bit slower.
When you stop on the red light, so what you should be expecting here, like?
Just checking your mirrors and looking out for people on bikes or just people on the road.
That's good. That's good. distance from
2 seconds.
2 seconds? Okay. And what do you consider about this suggestion? The lorry ahead us.
It's
Would you keep it a little bit more safe, or
I'd give a larger distance.
yeah? Slow down. Slow down. We are not know the intention of that. That's fine. Now you can proceed to our room. Yeah. Okay. Have you noticed, like, if someone do not give indicator, like, it's kind of confusion, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how would you react to that? Like,
I would just slow down and then see what they're doing and then proceed when it's safe.
okay, that's good. Okay, the traffic light, follow the road ahead. Can you look ahead of this van or not?
Not really.
So how will you make a safe distance then? What you will consider
A
that one?
larger gap.
Yes. Okay, we are approaching a roundabout, and I'm just leaving you deal by yourself. Okay, I will only intervene verbally or physically if I need to. Okay, if you are not dealing with the situation by yourself, I would suggest you take the fourth exit. That's the U-turn coming back here. Okay. Just to let you know, it's like A113 South Woodford. Okay, you can see the road mark. So just like, you know, do you want to do that again, or you're okay with the lanes?
I think I'm okay with the lanes and that.
Okay, okay. Just you need to show me, like, you know, how you have to manage the indicator. So I will just like request you to follow the road ahead. Okay, what is the risk involved if you do not give indicator like well in time?
Cars won't know like my intention of where I'm going, and they might think I'm going straight ahead when I'm exiting.
Okay, and how will you like deal differently next time if you have to deal with it?
I'll give my indicator as soon as I
Is it
pass.
safe to go now?
Yeah, I'll give my indicator as soon as I pass the exit before that.
Okay, that's fine. And do you need my help next time? Should I prompt for the indicator, or would you be able to do by yourself?
I think I'll be able to do it by myself, but if I don't, then
Okay, that's fine. Then I'll prompt it.
yeah.
So let's try the different roundabout, and we will see how you deal there. Then we will come back again if we have a time here. So, okay. We will focus on the lane changing, okay,
Mhm.
and we will see how you deal the situation there.